And I remember one of the greatest thrills of my life. I was in Israel. I was on one of my trips to see my parents. My parents moved to Israel in 1962, just after my wife and I got married. And they lived in Israel until they passed away. And so we would go traveling to Israel a lot with our kids. And one time I took a trip to Israel by myself because I hadn't seen my parents in a while. And I'm leaving Israel, and there I am, and seeing on the arrival board all these planes. It was just like 10 or 15 planes on the arrival board coming from Hungary, where they had the Russian Jews had transferred from wherever they came from in Russia to Budapest or Hungary, and they flew from Hungary into Israel. And just seeing all those planes coming one after another, like every half hour or so, and then seeing the Russian Jews getting off the planes with their pots and pans, their guitars, their dogs, their all kinds of stuff, and I remember going up to them and talking to them about, well, where are you gonna live? I said, well, I've got a friend who's meeting me here, and that friend was there just 3 months ago, and he's got things all laid out for him and all figured. And that was, to me, a fabulous experience, just seeing how they came.